To be able to use the front TV, one of the first things you need to do is you need to find a remote control. Be aware there's two remotes that are quite similar. One is the TV and the other one is the Blu-ray DVD player, which is actually right by the TV in that cabinet. Once you find the control, you turn the TV on. This is a smart TV, so you can actually do streaming if you're able to connect the TV to the internet. Or you can watch high definition from the local cable in the campground or from the antenna. Now, before you can use the cable or the antenna, you need to rescan for channels, which is a requirement for all of the digital TVs. You press the menu button, and here you go down to broadcasting, and in broadcasting you go to auto program. When you click on auto program, you will start scanning. You tell them what you want, if it's either air or cable. If it's air, is the TV antenna built in. If it's cable, is whatever cable you have from the campground. Most of the times it's easier just to press both, and it will start searching. Now, on the other side, keep in mind that the front TV should never be used when it's actually in sight of the driver. If the driver can see the TV should not be used while you're driving. That is actually one of the most important parts of the TV system in the front. Also, to be able to use the TV, as we said, with the TV signal, you need to be careful to use the antenna. We do not recommend to use the antenna. The antenna is actually here, and you will see this little square telling you careful not to drive. The antenna stands 4 feet above the roof once it's lifted, and to lift the antenna you actually rotate this handle. You crank the antenna up. The main concern with that is that if you forget the antenna up, you are going to cause a lot of damage to the motorhome, and there is no sensor or anything to tell you that the antenna is up or not. So we normally recommend do not use the antenna because it does not give you that much better reception, and it does carry a lot of risks.